Automarshal 224. We added recognition for the vehicle number plates from South Ossetia. New version of Automarshal is now integrated with Claris web system for business and management. Claris users can store the data locally. In Automarshal, the user can set the frequency of data updates and unloads of the passes for the specified time period. Export HTTP module has now the functionality for the data transfer in the parameters of the URL stream. This feature enables integration with different services and third-party applications without the need for direct integration with Automarshal. Automarshal 224 now has newly added Received HTTP Response trigger event. This trigger event allows to grant or deny vehicle access by means of exchanging the HTTP requests and responses with the third-party system databases and access lists. The new version of the software allows to set the trigger to perform user-specified actions, for example, open the barrier after Automarshal has received a response from a third-party system or application. When deleting the expired vehicle pass in the Database Task Scheduler module, the user now can also delete the number plate of this vehicle. This functionality improves overall experience for user lists management. The new speeding trigger event has been added to identify the vehicles that break the set speed limit. The number plates of such vehicles can automatically be entered into the violators list. This functionality is useful for the private gated communities, where the vehicle speed must be kept below a certain limit. The new speeding trigger event is only compatible for the integration with the speed radar. Previous version of Automarshal allowed sending a Telegram message about number plate recognition. In the new version, Telegram Messenger module has been relocated into the triggers, which made it possible to send all events available to the user. In the web client, there has been added functionality to record actions performed by the users during their interaction with the lists. This data is being saved into the user action log. This helps to identify the changes that have been introduced by a particular user when managing the lists. The web client users now have the ability to filter passes based on their status: all, active, unlimited, absent, expires today, expires tomorrow, and expired. This makes it more convenient to find the passes inside of a list.